Back to reality. Hey, back to reality for me. So you remember when I did my smear test? So this is the result. I just got it. Well, I got it ages ago, but I wasn't here, so I've just opened it, and it says that your result is negative. So I'm good. I'm good to go. So I've got no cervical cancer. But guys, please, as a woman, please go and do your smear test every 3 years, because when you do it and you get result like this, then you feel more relief that things are good and the body is going right. So this is my result. Thanks to God, everything is fine. So my next one is another 3 years. Yeah, make sure you do your smear test.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, morning. Do you recognize the background? It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Those of you who've been subscribed to my channel from ages when I started, you know this background, right? Yeah, I'm back home. I left Jamaica, so today is Friday the 15th. I left Jamaica on the Wednesday. What I'm talking about? Today's Friday the 16th. So I left Jamaica on Wednesday the 14th. That's Valentine's Day. So when you left the 14th, I reached here the 15th. That's the Thursday. I was so tired. So tired. So I didn't vlog nothing. And when I came back, when I reached home, I just tidy up the house. Cause trust me, I left my two boys, my husband and my son. The house was in good condition, but not my condition. Not up to my standards. So I tidy up the house, pack out the bags and everything. But I'm so tired. And plus, when I came back, my internet on my phone wasn't working. And I had to spend like about 2 hours trying to sort that out. And then I packed up everything, tidy up. And now, today is Friday. But you know what? it's so back to reality that today's Friday and tomorrow is Saturday. I'm going to work. As tired as I am, I still have to. You know what? Because I need not a vacation. So you know what? I've got to work the money to pay the bills and everything. So this is reality. This is life. This is not vacation sitting by the river and anything. This is work. So I have to work. So now I need to go wash the clothes that I brought back. My clothes is clean. My mom sorted that out, but because I wrapped up breadfruit and all sorts and all these fever grass and stuff like that, my clothes took the scent of those. So now I'm gonna sort out that, get a bit of shopping and stuff like that. So I'll show you a little bit of stuff that I've got to do and what I brought back home. So that is the suitcase. These clothes okay. Look, those can go up. This set needs to be washed. So I'm gonna start that today. Yep. That's the shopping. So I went shopping, and let's show you what I bought. For shopping, I got a box of satsuma. Got some grapes. I got a watermelon and some spray, some apples, cabbage. Got that for the toilet. Tin of milk, corned beef, apple juice, and I got some chicken. Pill, Vaseline. Last but not least, for the cold, and a cucumber. And I think that will do for the weekend until Monday. I'll do my big shopping, and surprisingly, been outside and it's not that cold. I thought it would be colder than that, although like that back home in Jamaica people say, oh, it's so cold, but you know what, I'm so sweating, so it's not cold. So I'm gonna rest because I think that's a lot for today. I've got to wake up early in the morning anyway. See you tomorrow. So these are the stuff that I brought up. You got the trunk back. That. I brought back these, the aloe vera, sausages, bun, banana chips, and I even bought a new freezer just for these. Look. I've got patty, sausage, and this is frugal peas. I've got hacky. All these are hacky, yes. And this drawer, look, I can't even open it. These are the breadfruit, and that is full to the brim. So I bring back all heap of bush too. The bush I put away. That's it. Hi guys. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm in my all black, so you know what that means. I'm going, today's Saturday by the way, and I'm going back to work. Yeah, back to my life. I've got to work the money because what I know is that when you're on holiday you spend more money than anything. So you know, I've got to work the money so I can fund another holiday. What do you think? So I won't take you with me today because you know it's a work thing, and you know you have to do what you have to do. So guess what? This is gonna be a nice and spicy vlog, and if you reach this far in watching my video, thank you. All you've got to do now is leave a comment and what you think. Plus, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just touch that button. Free, of course. Just touch that button, join the family, and welcome to my channel. What do you do? This is my look. Work time.